Same outfit, same everything, same, I was gonna say White Fox, not White Fox, same Fashion Nova, Kylie Jenner Wonderless outfit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another empties video, but this is a very convenient way for me to be motivated to get rid of a lot of things that I've consumed, a lot of things that I've stocked up. If you have followed me for a long time, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Sam. I have a shopping problem and I have been trying to get that under control, but in the process, I like to stock up on a lot of beauty products, hair products, makeup, you get it. So I have a really big stash of I'm trying to dwindle down because I would like to use that space for something a little bit more convenient, you know, instead of just stocking up on stuff all the time. Although I feel like that's always going to be a part of me. We're trying to master that. We're trying to get it under control a little bit. Empties videos have been helping me to be accountable and also show you guys some stuff that I love, that I hate, that I will never buy again. Let's get into this because there's a lot of stuff here. First thing, this is not completely empty, but this is the Garnier Fructis Full Control Hairspray. This is what I used to love way back in the day, like when I was 19. I loved this so much, and that was before I didn't know anything about hairspray. I've never been a huge hairspray fan. If you've been here, you know, hairspray has just never really been a thing for me. And everyone's like, oh, just spray it on. It holds everything down all day. No, the fuck it don't. No, the fuck it don't. You're a liar. Get out. It does not do anything for me. I'm trying a different one right now. When it comes to every day when I go to work, I'm going out somewhere and my hair is like natural. It's obviously frizzy because I bleach my hair. This has not done anything. I've really held on hope. I think there's like this much left in the bottle, but I just can't use it. I just can't. I'm done with it. I'm over it. I don't want to buy it again. Bye-bye. Native deodorant. This is the Toasted Marshmallow and Vanilla. I think this was a limited edition one last fall, but I finally just was using it. Once I went back to work, I'm always using deodorant constantly, like after I get out of the shower, before I go to work. Like after I work out, before I work out. Like I need to smell good all the time. Native has been my favorite deodorant brand for the most part. We're probably not completely done, but I cannot get anything else out without this falling out of the thing. This Big Mama, I feel like there's a tiny bit in here. Maybe that's why it's, oh no. I could not scrape that out. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, massive mama size. I like to buy this every year just for kicks and giggles because this lasts so long. I started using this, I think the beginning of May or June, and I just finished it. Now it's October. So you really get a lot for your buck, especially if you love the Boom Boom Cream like I do. It comes around the holiday time every year. I think it's out right now. It's like $70-$80 or something. Again, expensive, but if you love this stuff, religiously use it, like this is the only thing, like it's your absolute favorite, then it's definitely worth it. Will I buy this again? Probably not. Only if someone gifts it to me. Because I love the scent of this. Like this is one of my favorite scents of life. You get over it, you kind of get over it. Some empties of some vitamins that I've been using. Obviously my 8 greens, we already know I love them. They're the equivalent to me, I think, to the Bloom and all those green powders, but I prefer the vitamins for the most part, except the greens that they use at my tea place that I go to. I actually like those. They don't give me problems, but the Bloom one I hate. Gross. Don't buy it. That's just my opinion though. Don't buy it. It's not worth it unless it really works well for you. $25 garbage. Finish this adult vitamin D gummies. I love vitamin D. I think it's really good for you. Heard that it's good for your mental as well. So that's also a reason why I take this. And because I heard back in the day, if you take vitamin D, like you will get tanner. But I don't think that's true because I've been taking this for so long and I'm not that tan. A couple more Lemmy vitamins. Talk your shit. I love these, okay? They work very well for me. We have the Lemmy Focus, which I've obviously talked about already, and the Lemmy Purr, which is for your ladies. It's for your down there, for your lady parts. I love this so much. I'm gonna be completely honest and straight to the point right now, maybe a little bit TMI, not trying to. I used to have some issues down there, ladies, if you know, with a certain thing that starts with a B and ends with a V, and like, it was just such an annoyance to me because I had to keep like getting stuff, and you get it. It's really annoying. This has like reversed it, I feel like, because I started to feel like something was happening again, and I started taking these and now I'm completely fine. So I'm not saying these are miracle workers, but they worked very well for me. So if you've been skeptical or if you've been wanting to try them, definitely go try them. I also have the Lemmy Chill ones I took the other night because my anxiety was so bad and my head was just going like this, and it just kind of helped me to chill out. Should have been done like last year, but this is the Guru Nada. If you don't know what this is the coconut and mint pulling oil, which is basically for oil pulling for your teeth. I have a history, and I've been very honest about this on my channel and in life. Like, it is what it is. I, growing up, have not been the best at taking care of my teeth. As a result of this now, I can tell you straight up, I have a huge hole in one of my teeth. Great. Fun. I have to get 4 root canals, and I have a lot of cavities, specifically in between my teeth. I don't know how that happened to me. Like, the tops of my teeth are fine. In between my teeth is cavity city for some reason. In the past, I haven't been very good about brushing my teeth and skipping days and like going, like when I would be really I would not brush my teeth for weeks. Not weeks, more so like a week. I wouldn't brush them for quite a few days and stuff like that. So needless to say, I'm not the best at brushing my teeth. I now have some teeth issues, which is a result of that. So moral of the story, take care of your teeth. But this is one of the ways that I've recently started using again that has actually been really helping, because I've had some issues where some of my gums have been like doing something kind of weird, and then like my tooth was like hurting, and I don't know. This, I feel like, has been a great contribution to it. Obviously now for the last year, I've been really taking very good care of my teeth. I use this before I brush my teeth, floss, mouthwash every single night. Just in the mornings, I just do brushing my teeth and mouthwash because I don't have time. Love this stuff. This has been a really great contribution to my oral hygiene. For everyone that's made fun of me for my crooked teeth and whatever for years, yes, I have up teeth, okay? And it's a thing. So let's normalize that, because there's some people that so down that they can't brush their teeth for weeks on end. Like, there's a girl on TikTok that I stumbled across that literally has never brushed her teeth in her life. I'm not there, but I don't wish that upon you guys, but I understand, like, mentally sometimes you just don't want to take a shower, you don't want to brush your teeth, you don't want to take care of yourself because you are just so low. I completely get that. I've also been there. Be kind to people. Some people have up teeth. Some people have other stuff going on with them. Be kind to people, especially to other oral hygienists or dentists or like oral surgeons out there. I don't mean to like go so much into this right now. I apologize. My dentist, for example, like my doctor, she's great. She's been great to me every time I've gone, but I've had a lot of dental anxiety. That's like one thing I'm not very good with. Basically, last time I went to the dentist, the oral hygienist was like, your teeth are so bad. You need to do this, this, and this. Like talking to me like a child, as if I did not know that my teeth are already up. Okay, reprimand me like a child. I am 30 years old. Like, get with the program or get another job. Like, I don't understand. Like, some people are just so rude. Anyways, sorry for my long rant. Let's get back to the video. Body scrub, the Tropic Glow from Tree Hut. I love this one so much. It smells just like Sol de Janeiro. Needless to say, we've went through those quite a few times. Happy Hairless Rich Shave Butter from Truly. I literally just bought this because it was on sale. I don't know. It's okay. It will stain your razor though if you're using one that's different from the Truly razor. I think it just stains all razors, let's be real. Is this worth it? No. If you really want to try it, get it on sale, but it does leave your legs soft. It's just, I would rather use a shave oil that's like $6-7.99, not this. Growing up is realizing that you just want cheap products that work good because it's so expensive in this world, literally. I also finished this Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I got this from Marshall's for $30 because it's the big tub. Again, I would never buy this retail anymore. I just wouldn't. I have so many others that I love, like my Vanilla & Co. Like Elf makes a good one. Versed makes a good one as well. There's just no reason for me to spend $30-40 on a cleansing balm. Like, let's be real. Let's spend our money on good products that are cheap. Hero Force Shield sunscreen. This one is the tinted one. Delivers sheer glow with pearl and apricot pigments. Again, I've said this all summer. I've said this all spring. It smells like cereal. It smells like Cheerios. I don't know why, but it does. Like, once you squirt it out, it just smells like Cheerios. I just didn't like it, so I probably won't get the tinted one again. I love the regular Hero one though. I don't think this is supposed to be in here. My beauty blender, this needs to get washed, my Scorpio one. So that's probably not supposed to be in here. Speaking of teeth health, tooth health, oral hygiene, we have my whitening wild mint and peppermint oil native fluoride toothpaste. But I have it like those little toothpaste rolly things, so hence why it looks like this, because I want to get every drop. But I love this toothpaste. I've been using it for years now. Very good. I hope they come out with a candy cane one this year. We have some more face stuff. We have one of my little scrub brushes from my Clarisonic that I buy on Amazon because it's cheaper. Yeah, it was time to replace it. It was just getting gross, so we got another one. NYX eye pencil in medium brown. The only reason why it's in here is because I think, I don't know why this is dripping with whatever is on it, but it was like irritating my eyes or something when I tried to use it, so I just threw it in here. But it was okay. I don't know. I'm not a big eye pencil wearer. I'm trying. I don't know what's leaked. Maybe it's this. Oh, it might be this. We have a couple Good Molecule skincare. Love the brand so much. This is the Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. I've used this for quite a while now. It's very good. It's very cheap. It has good ingredients, and it literally tells you how to use it and when to use it, like AM, PM. The Super Peptide Serum, I love this. It's for fine lines and wrinkles. Even though I'm only 30, I've been using anti-aging stuff since I was like in my 20s, just cause like I want to preserve my youth. Again, it has like the directions and when to use it. I'm just a nighttime skincare girly. I don't really do the morning skincare. Like, the last thing, this is from my sanitizer at work on my badge. This is the Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin from Bath and Body Works. Everyone's into it. That's why I bought them. I was influenced. I never thought I'd buy Bath & Body Works sanitizers again. They're just easy and convenient to keep on your badge and use it when you need to. I have that one. Right now, I think I have champagne apple something. That was all of my empties. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for the rant. Sorry if I'm a little off. Like I said in my haul, I've been going through some stuff lately, so I've just been like, I don't know what's going on. Yay. I'm just trying to live and figure out life. Still, you know, do all the things. But thank you guys as always for sticking with me through everything. I know I'm a pain in the ass. I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notifications to know when the I post a new video, which is hopefully going to be twice a week, resuming soon. I still want to do a video cleaning my car. I've been saying for months now. I really want to do it because my car is disgusting. So hopefully maybe we'll film that next weekend. And I want to film a night after work with me kind of routine, or what I typically do. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. Or any other videos you guys want to see from me, let me know in the comments. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.